BNB Tiger is quite doing well in the market, and this is one of the trending coin right now. And if you want to get, this is a video for you, because many people are actually getting this particular token in the wrong way, which is leading them to losing some amount of money. And I'll be making this particular video basically on how to buy and also sell, so you can make your profit, right? So if it is one thing you actually want to know about or you have interest in, just stay ahead and stick around to the channel, right? So let's move straight into the video. So before I go further, I like to check out the about, and I made a video about this already, so we are going to go straight into the other part right now. So let me just do a recap. You can see right at this particular site, there's a warning from Trust Wallet. Okay, so this particular interface is actually from Trust Wallet. They can actually use any wallet address, any wallet rather. So you can use the Trust Wallet, you can use the Biggest Wallet, whatever wallet you have, you can currently use that. So far it has the BNB Tiger. So, and I'm going to show you also how to actually find this in the wallet, right? So you can see for right, we have a sign that it says the honeypot risk is actually here, and this is actually giving 183. Right, so I actually showed this in my last video. So the video before this, check out my channel, you are going to see the video right there. So how do you buy this particular project? So you come right here, you come to your Trust Wallet, right? So as a Trust Wallet, you're going to see this particular arrow right here, which is the search arrow. Then you go ahead to search the BNB Tiger Inon. Okay, so like just like this BNB Tiger, so it's going to pop up. Let me just finish typing it so you can see what I'm currently talking about. So BNB Tiger, so it's going to pop up like this, and you can kind of click on it. So you can see we have two, right? We have the 2.0, we have this particular one. So if you click on this one, this is actually going to be showing for you also, and you might actually get it lost and looking for. Can you see this particular one now? This is actually 100% down. Then if you click on the other one, right, if you click on this particular one, let's see what is going to be happening for this part also. So I'm actually waiting for it to load up because of the network issue kind of, so you can actually fast forward this particular part in the video. So you can see this particular one is currently trending up and the price is off. So how do you know which one to get? So to get this done, you need to come to your CoinMarketCap, which is on your browser, right? Just search up CoinMarketCap. So once you are here, you copy the contract address. You can see we have the contract address at this below part on it. It is on BNB Smart Chain. You are going to copy the contract address. Then once you copy the contract address, we are going to go back to our Trust Wallet, right? So on our Trust Wallet, you are going to see this particular stuff that says you click on search again, then you are going to see an area that you can add, right? So we click on BNB, then I'm going to like be searching a token from here. Yeah, so right, you come to this particular site. So after you complete the contract address, then you click on this part which say the network. They are going to select this, which is the BNB Smart Chain. You can see BNB Smart Chain. Select this particular one, then paste the contract address you copied, right? So once you paste the contract address, you can see this is actually going to be showing a loan, which is the BNB Tiger. So this is the real one you are actually purchasing. So this is the first step, and many people are actually making mistake on this. So this is what you need to know right now. So it actually applies to every other exchanges also. Just do it the same way and get this done. So how do you buy? You can buy by sending, or by sending and receiving your thereabout. If you have any other issue, you can drop it at the comment section or at the description of this particular video. I have my Telegram link right there. So let me show you how you can buy. So now if you click on this particular site, if you're in an eligible country that you can actually buy with your card, yeah, you can currently purchase with your card right now. You just go ahead to this and purchase, right? So it's very easy and straightforward. But if you are not in the eligible country that you can currently buy, what you're going to be doing is converting by, you're going to be converting your USDT to this. So what do you do with that? You're going to be using your Uniswap or PancakeSwap. So you can see you can either convert Ethereum to it or BNB, which is the Binance Smart Chain. You can see we are going to be having the PancakeSwap and this. So how do you get that done? You come back to this particular site, then you click on browse. So I'm going to go back, right? So I'm going to click on discover, then I'm going to search PancakeSwap. Yeah, you can see PancakeSwap is quite of showing you right here, so just write it in case it is here. Then click on PancakeSwap, right? So if you actually click on PancakeSwap, it's actually going to load up. There you can currently convert your USDT or any other token that is based on the BNB Smart Chain to this particular project, right? So this is how it's going to be. All you need to do is to come to this side and click on connect. You can see connect above here. You just click on connect your account. So this is actually going to be connecting your wallet to this particular program. So you can see wallet is connected. So as we want to convert your BNB to Tiger Inu, so I have BNB right here. I'm just going to click on this and search up my Tiger Inu, or I copy the contract address I got the other time. Then I'm going to click on this, right? You can see I can actually buy straight from here with my BNB Smart Chain. So I'm going to put in the amount that I want to buy. Let's see. So if I have 50 worth of BNB Smart Chain, right? 50 worth of BNB Smart Chain. So let's see the amount is going to be giving me in this. Okay, the time is running up, like the network issue. So let me just reduce this. Let me turn it to 5. Okay, so if I have 5 BNB, so let's see the amount I'm going to be seeing. So about 5 BNB is actually equivalent to $3,863 right now. And if I want to buy, I'm going to be getting this amount 300. And so they've actually taken charges. You can see the USDT rate. It is about this year. If I'm converting into this, it's going to be reducing. So I'm actually lost in about 700 USDT automatically just by me converting this right here. So that is one of the red flag that is actually in there, where they said the honeypot is actually high and it is risk. So if you want to sell back also, it is quite almost the same thing like this, and this is why they said the buying and selling is actually high. So that is the only thing I actually say from this particular project. But remember, this is not a financial advice. If you have any other question, please go straight to the comment section and please like this particular video. I'll make sure I see you in my next video, guys. Enjoy your day.